1, 2, 3. See the coin? Watch.
It's all balloons! Are you kidding?
Make it disappear.
That's not cool!
What happened? What'd you do to my bottle? Right through the potato. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 14 magic pranks that you can do.
Let's do it.
So if you're ready, hit that like button and let's go. This first one's a crazy magic prank that you can do with a candle. Check it out.
Ooh. Ooh. This smells amazing. You are so... Why? Of course it's smoking! That's not funny! Open the door!
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this prank is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's what you're going to need to set up this prank. You're going to need a smoke cloud party favor. And your next step is to empty out a candle. Once you have the candle emptied out, you're going to place the smoke firework down inside the glass jar, just like this. Once you have the firework loaded into the candle jar, you're going to fill in the sides with hot candle wax. And then to touch up the fuse of the firework, you can use a white paint pen to make it look like the candle wick. And then your last step is to simply set the candle somewhere and wait. And that is how you do the magic smoking candle prank. Here's an easy and clever prank that you can pull off at home right now. Will you fill this up for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like all the way?
Yes. So you ready for the new year?
Yeah.
2019 is going to be a good one.
Of course. Oh my... That's not cool!
What happened? What'd you do to my bottle? What'd you do to it?
What is wrong with you?
Super simple setup. Here's how it's done. Your first step is to take the water bottle before your prank starts, and you're gonna poke some holes all over the bottle. So take a push pin or a thumbtack and just cover the thing in tiny little holes. And then your next step is to simply present it to somebody and ask them to fill it up for you. They'll begin pouring water into it, and before they know it, water will begin spraying out from all sides. Super funny and easy to pull off prank that you can do right now. Okay, Eva, I have a cool coin trick to show you. Check out this coin for me, make sure it's normal. Yeah? Okay, check this out. This is a $50. If I take the $50 like this, I can actually take my finger and 1, 2, 3. Actually go right through. Pulling this.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Spoiler alert, the secret to this trick is coming up next. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to pull this one off yourself. You'll need a coin and one of these cool coin rings. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a special giveaway. I'm going to give this ring away to one lucky comment. This is a specially made ring that's actually made from a US $50. It's really cool. Actually made from a real coin. You can even see the rim of the coin there. So all you're gonna do is put this on your finger before the trick starts, and you're gonna curl that finger in just like that and extend the middle finger out, so that when you view it from this angle, the coin ring is hidden behind my hand. Now all we have to do is take the other coin like this. We're gonna show it and say watch. 1, 2, 3, and when you toss it up, you're going to simultaneously catch the coin in your hand and extend this finger out. Then you can pass the coin ring out for examination, and it's a really, really cool souvenir if you wanted to give it to someone. And that is how you do the magic finger through the coin trick. Here's a cool food trick that you can pull off at a moment's notice. Alright, so I have a cool trick to show you with this potato.
Potato!
Potato and a straw. It's just a regular drinking straw. Normal. Okay. So here's the idea. We're going to take the straw and the potato. I'm going to try something with this. I'm going to try to put the straw through the potato. Think it'll work?
Maybe.
Let's try. Oh, the straw just broke. All right. I got another straw. Let's try it again, but we're gonna try with a little magic this time, okay? So that one was a fail. Let's try with some magic. A little spell on the straw. check this out. If I take the straw and the potato, watch. 1, 2. Straw goes right through the potato. All you need to pull this off is a drinking straw and a potato. The whole key to this lies in placing your thumb over the top of the straw before you plunge it down into the potato. This traps the air inside the straw, making it more rigid and allowing it to pass all the way through the potato. If you don't have your thumb on the top, the straw will just crumple. It's a fun magic challenge that you can do at the dinner table or in the kitchen. And that is how you do the magic straw through the potato trick. Here's a fun magic challenge that you can set up at home right now.
Get the money without spilling any water and it's yours. What? What do I do? I can't spill any water. I can't spill any water. That wasn't it. Do I still get the money? Aw, it's a little food. Okay. That's mine.
Okay, here's what you're gonna need to pull off this fun prank. You're gonna need a glass, a note card, and an origami boat made from money. You can find tutorials online of how to fold your own origami money boat, but once you have your boat folded, your next step is to fill your glass with water. So once you have the glass full of water, the next step is to put your little money boat down inside the cup. So the little money boat goes right down in the water just like that, and it will float right on the surface of the water like a real boat. The next step is to place the index card over the top of the cup, just like this. You want to make sure it covers the entire mouth of the cup. You're then going to hold it in place with your hands while you flip it upside down. So once you've got your boat afloat in the cup, you're going to leave your note just like this and wait for someone to discover it. Watch, take the cigarette and make it disappear. So your first step is you're going to need some sort of fire source, some sort of flame. We'll use a candle here. And the second thing you're going to need is one of these. These are flash cigarettes. These are actually cigarettes that are made entirely from flash materials. The inside is stuffed with flash cotton and the outside is made from a combination of flash papers in different colors. It's even got brown flash paper stuffed in the end of it to look like tobacco and white flash cotton on the other end to look like a cigarette filter. I do not recommend actually using these for a prank like putting it in your friend's cigarette pack. That would be a very bad idea. Also a very bad idea to smoke cigarettes in the first place, but this would be super dangerous to actually let someone light in their mouth. So it's just a cool trick to take one of their cigarettes out of their pack, switch it for one of these, and then light it on fire. And as you can see, when it lights up, the entire thing will vanish because the whole thing is made of flash product. This next one's a cool magic prank that you can do with your body. The secret is just a little bit of preparation. Check it out. Okay, here's how you set this up. You're going to need some liquid latex and a latex glove. And you'll also need some scissors. You're going to take your scissors and trim off one of the fingers of the glove. So we have the middle finger of the glove trimmed off here just like this. We're going to fill the finger of the glove with latex. This is liquid latex. It's available at most Halloween stores and costume shops. It's like an artificial skin. It's rubber latex in liquid form. Once we pour it into the mold and let it harden, it will be a rubbery finger. Now once the latex is set up, it'll be dried and you can remove the finger from the mold. Your next step is to carve some features into the latex mold. Make the outline of a thumbnail here. Then you can take a brush and touch up the finger to match your skin tone. Once you have your fake finger set up, you're going to conceal it in your mouth before the trick starts. And you want to position it in your mouth so that when you open your lips, it looks as though your finger is passing right through your chin. The second part of the illusion is just to curl this finger inward as you contact the bottom of your chin. So really simple, just like that. And then you open your lips at the same time and it looks like your finger has gone right through your chin. And that is the secret of the magic finger through the chin prank. Here's a fun magic prank to pull on your friends and family.
It's full of balloons? Are you kidding me? That is so not cool. That's lame. What? Are you? No. I thought it was full of balloons. Like they would have just. That was me.
Here's the secret behind pulling this one off. The balloons are just taped to the back of the door. Let me show you how to set it up. So the first step to setting this up is to get a bunch of balloons and you want to inflate them. Once you have all your balloons inflated, the next thing you're going to need is some tape. You're also going to need a door like this that has a window in it so that you can cover the back of the door with the balloons. Let me show you how. So you You're gonna take the back of the door just like this, and you're gonna tape your balloons in place on the back of the door. You're just gonna tape your balloons in place on the door just like this. Once you have all the balloons in place on the windows, all you have to do is wait for someone to discover it from the other side, and then it will look like the entire room is full of balloons. You wanna make sure you cover as much of the window space as possible so it really gives that illusion that the room is entirely filled with balloons. So totally convince them that the room is full of balloons, and cleanup is just as easy as pulling them all down. And that is the secret to the room full of balloons prank. This next prank is totally shocking.
Can you have my phone, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
What happened?
That's not my phone. That's not my phone. That hurt. What is this?
Here's the explanation to the phone prank.
What is that? Where's my real phone?
This is actually a shock phone.
I know.
That's why it hurt you. So the little button right here is actually rigged on the inside. This is not a real phone. It's like a dummy phone, but it looks just like a real iPhone, well, at a glance. So somebody asks you for their phone, you quickly hand them this, and at a glance, it kind of looks like an iPhone. They go to press the button, and it gives them a low voltage jolt. It's totally safe, but it does kind of make you jump, yeah. You wanna try it again?
No. Stop!
And that is how you do the magic shocking iPhone prank. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. If you want to step your prank game up a bit, head over to EvanEraTV.com. We've got a huge selection of magic pranks there that will take your pranking to the next level. The link is in the top of the description or at EvanEraTV.com. We've got the magic paper mouth coils, the magic stretching tongue, the classic punch cone prank, and the magic fake tiny hands. All of those and more are available now at EvanEraTV.com, and we have international shipping available on everything in the shop. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic prank props from this video so that you can pull these magic pranks off at home. All of the pranks are up for grabs. If you want to win one, all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section and leave a like on the video. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Send us an email with your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit that like button and leave your comments down below. Follow me on Instagram, there's a link down below for that too. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support our channel. The last episode of How To Magic is right over there if you want to catch up. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.